Hello everyone, this is Krishna from Silicon Tech. Recently Apple released Beats USB-C cables. I got two of them, black and red. Both are 1.5 meters, that is 5 feet. They have proper names though. This is Rapid Red, and this is Bold Black. I like the name. Other colors they have are Surge Stone, which is like starlight kind of look, and also Nitro Navy. They also have shorter cables around 8 inches so that you can use it for charging phones in cars to connect CarPlay or Android Auto. This Rapid Red, this looks vibrant, looks nice. Here you can see the logo. And both are braided cables. These cables made with a tangle-free woven design for extra durability and convenience. And yes, it is compatible with Android devices too. Can be used for data transfer, audio, CarPlay, and transferring data. And also, if you have AirPods Max with USB-C, you can try lossless audio with these. So this is the black color. Yeah, it's same 5 feet, and I mean this is my favorite color, like as always, Bold Black. I like the name. So here you see the Beats logo. You must be wondering what is this. Actually, this is Apple's own braided USB-C cable. This came with my M4 iPad Pro, and this box is from Muji. It's a cable, as you see, it's a cable organizer, so it's easy. You can hold it, and if you want to retract, you can just rotate and it's in place. Very useful for travel. Mainly I want to compare these with the Beats cable. As you can see, there's no logo in Apple's USB-C connector. This is called heat shrink, and there's nothing. It's like clean. You have the logo here. Beats is slightly taller and also thicker. The color looks almost same, but as I said, you can see the difference, the thickness of both the cables. Heat shrink is slightly thicker in Beats, and the heat shrink is longer. I mean, nicely wrapped around the cable, like here. Okay, this costs around $1,900 in India, which is a lot, I know. And if you buy it directly from Apple Store, I usually buy all the stuff directly from the Apple Store online. I know it's just a lot. Well, there are some other brand cables out there like Belkin and Anker, which will definitely cost lesser, but the quality is really good. I think this will last longer than any other cables. If money is not a problem for you, Beats USB cable would be a good buy. If you want to see more content like this, please do like and subscribe. Sorry for the messy cables. These are longer than this, so it doesn't fit in the box. So that's why it's kind of messy. So maybe I'll find a box for this, and I can tell later like which box I'm buying. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.